out here in a seepage swamp in East Texas. We're looking at Bartonia texana, Texas screwstem. They're very, very small. There are several on this little hummock. So I can zoom over to show you some others. That one's kind of funky looking. There's one hiding in there. I know there's a couple more up there too. I just don't know where they're at. And one there. We've got two flowers hiding there. So you can see the habitat. All the water's coming out of seeps out of the hillside behind me. It's flowing down to a creek that direction. Got liverworts, some sphagnum moss, in with the Bartonia. Over here, got some cella repens, a bunch of other ferns. This is called delicate fern moss. It was a fern. Of course, I looked up. Yeah, I knew it was a moss after I first started looking at it, but delicate fern moss. So you can see the layer of upland shelf there. Water's coming out just below, right in this low area. So the seepage bog where the groundwater meets.